Hey there. So it is 2020 and everybody has started their New Year's resolutions again, starting fresh, starting on a new journey. And I wanted to just stop by and ask about what your social footprint is looking like today. So when we talk about cleaning up things, oftentimes we'll forget about what our social business looks like. We know how we present ourselves as business owners, but sometimes we forget about what we've done on various different websites and social platforms that maybe we should take a look at and clean up. So an example of this would be if you were to go and think about researching a mortgage company or a restaurant or somewhere to go buy a new handbag. You may want to go onto the internet and research them and see if they are still active. I check out social profiles, Facebook pages, groups, website blogs all the time on realtors just to see, what they are currently doing. And very often I will see some agents that haven't posted in 8-9 months, sometimes years actually. And so that is not a great look. And so it's always better if you cannot spend that time to continually, constantly keep up with some content on your Facebook page. Maybe you created one that was for a specific niche or target market. Maybe you started a blog on your website last year and you just couldn't keep up with it. They probably should be archived so that they are not public facing. So when you're thinking about starting afresh this year, please don't forget about your social footprint and your online presence. And if you are not using certain profiles or blogs, just turn them off and you'll not be giving the impression that you are not in business. Hope that helps. Talk to you later. Bye.